Ready to unlock a whole new world of web browsing on your Nvidia Shield? First things first, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Nvidia Shield. You'll typically find it on the home screen. Use your remote to scroll and select it. Once you're in the Play Store, head on up to the search bar and type in Kiwi browser. It's our key to getting Chrome functionality on the Shield. Select Kiwi browser from the search results. It should be the first option with a Kiwi bird icon. Now click on the install button. Wait for Kiwi browser to download and install onto your Nvidia Shield. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once installed, open Kiwi browser. In Kiwi browser, you will need to search for Chrome Web Store using the search bar provided. Find the Chrome and then click and add the Chrome browser to Kiwi. This will take a minute, so please don't turn off your device. Now you can search for Chrome within the Kiwi browser and begin surfing the internet, but with Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully installed a way to use Chrome on your Nvidia Shield. Now you can browse the web, access online content, and utilize web apps right from your streaming media player. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nvidia Shield tips and tricks.